How to verify age on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can verify age on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to verify your age on YouTube, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go to youtube.com, click on the YouTube profile, then go to Google account, which means to manage your Google account. Now your YouTube account is your Google account, so to verify age in YouTube you have to verify your age inside your Google account. Once you've done that, you can simply go to this option called personal info. Then once you go to personal info, you can simply scroll down and look for an option called birthday. So after you select birthday, it will ask you to simply go ahead and check which kind of birthday you want. So depending upon the year you choose, the age of your YouTube account is also going to get changed accordingly. So you have to set something that would make you over 18 years of age in order to unlock everything on YouTube. This way you should be able to go ahead and then verify age on YouTube. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.